Amendment 90 and 90, 91, 92, the services they have for the sections and injury water and, of course, the stormwater sewer services consisted in the north. Notwithstanding provisions section 7, this article, county, city, town, and squash, municipal corporation, political subdivision, state engaged in solid distribution of water, energy, and stormwater and sewer services may authorized by legislative public monies and credit derived operating revenues for the sale of water, energy, stormwater, sewer services, assist owners and structure equipment, financing, installation materials, financing installation materials and equipment, and conversations with efficiency, use of water, energy, stormwater, and sewer service such as structures and equipment. Providing section 7 of this article appropriate charge back to VME, such extension of public monies credits and same shall be limited against structured benefit, security, and interest in equipment benefit. Financial energy conversations, result of conversations in 97. Joint Resolution 1997, Joint Resolution number 4209, page 3065, approved November 4th, 1997. Now, Amendment 89, Section 3, election of the terms of the Supreme Court judges. Judges, Supreme Court shall elect the qualified electors in the state, large general state election, time, places at the which of the officers are elected unless other time be provided by legislator. The first election of the judges of the Supreme Court shall be elections such shall be held upon the adoption of the Constitution, and the judges elected there shall be classified by a lot. Now, lot can be carried on to 4 graves. There is 4 graves in one lot, and each hub is extended to each quarterly at the Mueller's funeral, which is been there for over 100 centuries. 100 centuries means over 1,000 years, easily. So over 1,000 years, this election of County 89, this hub and also the lot, the judges shall propose an assembly, the seat of government. They shall cause a revolt, therefore certified Secretary of State file the office of Supreme Court Chief Justice from his own membership of the Supreme Secretary Kim Wayman, which has the presiding in the sessions of Supreme Courts in the case of absence of Chief Justice majority for the vote. Numbers of judges are specified to hold office until elections shall take at least 6 general elections. Judge shall be elected shall hold the office for a remainder unexpired term of the office. Judges Supreme Court. Sessions Supreme Court should be held seat of government otherwise provided. 1990 Substitute Senate Joint Resolution number 8210, page 290, approved November 7, 1995. Constantly aggravated to all tax upon real person, property, and state and taxing districts now existing, therefore creating a year extent of 1 of the percent true to a fair value of such property and money. Provided, however, nothing herein shall prevent levies at rates provided by the law, and for any port of the public utility district, the term taxing district purposes section shall mean the political subdivision, municipal corporation district, or government agency authorities in law levied by volume taxes and property and other port of public utility districts, such as aggravated limitations, specific limitation imposed by law, conformity therefore extending follows by taxing districts were specified, authorized so to do, majority at least 3/5 of the voters of the taxing district voting the proposition of levy additional tax, therefore 12 months prior to the date of a proposed levy to be made for the twice or such 12-month period. This election is a regular election by taxing district, and legislation numbers and voting yes on the proposition shall constitute 3/5 of the number equal 4 40% of the total numbers of voters voting in taxing district preceding general numbers of voting in proposition 40%. Taxing the least preceding general election majority at least 3/5 of the voters taxing district voting proposition levying the number of voters voting proposition exceeds 40% of number of voters voting in taxing district at least preceding general election provided. This constitutional proposition pursuit this subsection additional taxes of support. Common schools provide support period up to 4 years in proposition additional tax. Facility provides support period not exceeding 6 years. Obligation bonds, capital purposes, and sole purpose making requirements, payment principles, capital purpose, and replacement, authorized majority at least 3/5 of voters, taxing district of voting proposition to issues. Annual tax levies limitation therefore provide during the team and term such bonds submitted of oftener, twice the calendar date, election held, in the manner provided law-bound elections and such taxes districts. Any such tax district shall have a right to vote in governing body and refund any general obligation bonds said district issued to capital purposes, provided the interest therefore and annual levies in excess and tax limits provided, and provided further provisions shall also subject limitation contain article section 6. This is the Constitution. The state taxing district purpose of preventing impairment obligation contract ordered so they do the court resort. 1997 House of Joint Resolution number 4208, page 3063, approved November 4th, 1997.